These are 3 things that you need to do in order to increase the number of downloads you get from Google Play Store. Now, one thing you see from Google Play Store's new design is it focuses so much on images, especially the feature graphic, which is this big picture right here. Before, they used to just lay out apps like this, just a small icon, then the title, then the rating of the application. But now they're concentrating so much on the feature graphic, especially when a user searches for an app, that if you do not make sure that you optimize this feature graphic, you might lose out on so many downloads because people will obviously be attracted by your feature graphic. This is one of my apps which is called My Sports, and I actually changed this feature graphic for this specific purpose. So this is a tactic which I know actually works. Now for videos, I'm going to search Candy Crush. I want you to see how they optimized their application. And as you can see, if I search Candy Crush, the first thing, instead of a feature graphic, what they put is a video. And so this is very important to note because as you can see, all these apps, instead of putting an image, they put a video. Google Play Store will automatically choose the video over any other image or feature graphic that they have. Videos offer a different alternative to images because with videos you can show users what the app actually does, and you can show the gameplay, you can show how the app actually works, you can give different views of different screens to an extent that a user can just click on your video, watch your video, see if they want to actually use your application because of the video, and once they decide, you can get a download from that. And so use images, but as well also try to use videos that attract the users to an extent that users are quickly hooked to download your application. Now I'll click on my application, My Sports, and one thing you see, they also changed this layout. When you don't use a video, it will just show you a title and it will show you an app icon. Now one thing you have to understand, especially with this, is the title is of very much importance. As with every other algorithm, be it YouTube, social media, Facebook, etc., it usually looks at the description or content of whatever you are trying to post, be it text, be it a video. It looks at the title and the description, be it on Instagram or on Facebook, TikTok, etc. Algorithms will obviously focus in on this, and so the title is of very much importance. Google Play Store actually limited the characters of the title to 30 characters, which means you have to be specific with your title as much as possible. Your title has to include keywords. For example, mine is a football highlights application, so obviously I have to put the keyword football. So the title is of very much importance. You have to be specific and you have to put keywords in it, and it's something that the user will see when they open your app first. Now comment down below if you actually use these tactics and if you actually optimized your app so that it can highlight these key specific things: the screenshots, the app icons, the feature graphic, as well as the title being specific. And tell me how many downloads you got after you optimized your app. Goodbye.